Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to my channel, That's a Pro Career Ignition. We have received the new request to know that what is the ATS system. Yes, that's called the application tracking system, which is required in most of the companies, recruitment agency and companies. They keep at least one application tracking application system with them to keep the database at one place. So let's understand the pros and cons of the ATS system. Let's start it. First, we will understand what is the ATS. Okay, so application tracking system is the software or application either you can develop or you can take the help of the external agencies or external apps are available. So उसमें होता क्या है? We ask the candidates to when they candidates submit their profile, we need one server, we need somewhere to save. So we can save the database, we can save the resumes there. So वहाँ पे हम we can resume के साथ we can write the comments also. Then as and when the requirements comes, so recruiter can search according to the keywords in the application tracking system only. So जहाँ पे एक recruitment process के लिए लंबा time लगता है, due to the having a application tracking system ATS, we can reduce the time frame and we can create the efficiency into the recruitment streamline hiring process. Being in this industry, recruitment industry for more than 17 years, I have started using ATS system from the 2012 onwards. So मैंने बहुत तरीके से बहुत different versions मैंने यूज़ किए हैं एंड नाउ द लाइक पीपल आर कमिंग विद द लॉट ऑफ अपडेट्स कि बहुत सारे फीचर्स दे आर एडिंग. So now there are two ways. If your company is falling into the SMEs, you can always look for the external app. If your company is like 10 साल हो चुके हैं, then you can develop your own software जो आपके कंपनी के साथ ही होगा. So Zoho Recruit is there जहाँ पे मैंने when I started my company, I started using the Zoho Recruit जहाँ पे I started saving my all candidate database and which is helping to integrate the other job portals also. Now, if you talk about the cost, what is the benefit? If you're the falling into the small companies, it's always better to go for the external help, external application जहाँ पे cost can come somewhere around monthly 1,500 to 3,000 rupees में बात कर रही हूँ. When it comes to the Dubai, then it is a convertible rate like 100 dirham to 200 dirham you have to pay for the those agencies. And if you're thinking to develop your own software application tracking system, तो उसका खर्चा somewhere around when I thought of like developing that software for my company, I got the costing somewhere around 4 to 5 lakhs rupees. So it is up to you. So this is a major costing difference. If you are well settled in your company, then you can go for your own software, you can develop your app ATS. If you're new company but you need somewhere you can save the data because आप कंप्यूटर पे सेव नहीं कर सकते all the data में. So you need somewhere like a पूरा data वहाँ पे जमा हो जाए. So you can always look for the another external apps which are lot of available in the market and they will explain you the features also. So next is important when you are choosing the ATS system. Okay, कौन से precautions लेने चाहिए because as I mentioned in the video, I have used many ATS system in my own company and where I used to work. So एक चीज so important passing. Passing of the resume is very important. Many companies they declare like हम 90% passing करते हैं but it is not possible. I have used so many but if it is matching up to 70-75% also, that's a great thing. So आपको पहली बात तो डेमो लेना है. You have to give certain data and you have to by yourself do the passing in the application and see कितनी चीज़ें वहाँ पे करेक्ट आ रही है. Many time it happens मोबाइल नंबर करेक्ट नहीं होता है, पासिंग ही नहीं होता है, email ID नहीं होता है because now the most of the ATS system work through the major unique point is the email ID. So candidate also able to log in into that particular app if that application is having that feature. So if you have been using that particular application for the longer period and you have taken the better version. The cost which I said, that is for the single user. If you are going for the more features and all, so आपको ज़्यादा पैसे cost pay करना है. And if you are going for that, you can take the create the login for the candidates also and employer also. Now one thing is about the passing. Second thing, comment section. When two recruiters are using same application और एक ही कैंडिडेट पे वो टारगेट कर रहे हैं फॉर द डिफरेंट टू कंपनीज, सो वो जो इंटरैक्शन हो रहा है कैंडिडेट के साथ, दैट हैज शुड बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि दो ओवर राइटिंग हो जाए. इफ वन रिक्रूटर इज राइटिंग एनी कमेंट, सो अदर इज नॉट एबल टू सी. ये मैंने पर्सनली भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है व्हेन आई वाज यूजिंग द ATS सिस्टम. My one recruiter was writing and the next day the person was coming and telling me मुझे मेरे comments दिख नहीं रहे because other recruiter have used. Okay. Now third important thing is like a costing about. आप अपने vendor के साथ you can always negotiate on the pricing because it's not necessarily because market में बहुत सारे applications अभी आ रहे हैं. इन इंडिया में ही मैंने एक खुद एजेंसी के साथ आई वर्क एज अ स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनर टू देम विद देम टू डेवलप देयर ऐप टू गिव द आइडिया कि कहाँ कहाँ चैलेंजेस आते हैं. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज दोज एप्लीकेशंस ऑल्सो एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट दे कैन एबल टू गिव यू दैट डेटाबेस. ऐसे भी हो सकता है इन फ्यूचर यू वांटेड टू डेवलप योर ओन सॉफ्टवेयर अपने कंपनी के लिए. योर कंपनी इज ग्रोइंग एंड यू डोंट वांट टू कीप योर डेटाबेस विद द अदर एक्सटर्नल पार्टी. So you are developing. So this is very important point. When you're asking your own database, they should able to give you, rather than they are saying like no, we don't have that facility. That's very important data because I lost my data when I was working with a few vendors. But recently with whom I'm working, they have that provision. If you're looking for developing your own software, own ATS system, we will give back all your data. Next important point, when you have a ATS system and you are working as a recruiter, definitely company will have the various job portals. There are free job portals, there are paid job portals. Those job portals should be integrated. So बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता है कि agencies और ATS system, they don't have a facility to directly upload whoever is applying any particular job. For example, let's talk about the नौकरी पे आपने job ad डाल दिया and you have received somewhere around 200 to 300 reply. Now you cannot download those resume one by one. It is a time consuming. So if you have an integration with the Naukri, directly आप login कर सकते हो through that app. You can download those profiles and you can upload directly on the ATS. And there, along with the other database, you can search more profiles, you can do the sourcing, you can do the sorting also in the resumes. So आपको पता है कि 200 resume में से I have sorted 15-20 resume जिनको मुझे कॉल करना है, and there itself while calling you can write the comments, and if the resumes are good, you can directly email to the client through that ATS system only. So very important is like market में ऐसे बहुत सारे जॉब पोर्टल्स अवेलेबल है फॉर द डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के लिए, जहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन वो ATS के साथ बहुत ज़रूरी है to save the database. Whether you are choosing to develop your own ATS or you are going for the external ATS, make sure like your ATS system should be in the streamline with your recruitment process. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share it if any agency or company would like to go for the ATS system in future. And if you have any particular topic where I can help you, please write in the comments so I can create a new video content and I'll share it with you all. Thank you.